What's going on, YouTube? I've got another wireless doorbell here for you to look at. So this is an AVANTEK D-3B wireless doorbell. I'm a big fan of the Govee wireless doorbells, but I figured I'd give this one a try because I wanted something that was black. And so let's do a little quick unboxing here. Nice. Have you noticed how everybody's now boxing things up like the iPhone? So I think Apple did a huge favor for everybody in pushing product makers to package things nice, in nicer packaging than in the past. And so this particular kit comes with two receivers. So this is one of the receivers. This is what will actually chime. And then it's got a second receiver here. And these just plug in. You can plug these in throughout your house. So I got two of them, one for upstairs and then one for downstairs so we can hear it. And here's the transmitter. So it uses a battery in there, and this probably comes with some double-sided tape, or you can go ahead and screw this to the wall outside. Pretty neat little kit. I'll come back in a little bit and show you guys what it sounds like. Thanks for looking. Alright guys, so I've got one of the receivers installed here, and let me go ahead and, I haven't put the transmitter up yet, but let me go ahead and click the transmitter so you can hear it. And I've already installed the other transmitter, so the other transmitter I put, I'm sorry, the other receiver I put all the way down to the end of this hall, and it's still picking up fine. Pretty cool, I'm impressed. It says in the instructions that the battery in here can last for up to 5 years. That's with 10 to 15 uses per day, which will not happen in this application, so I'm hoping the battery lasts a lot longer. But you know what? It's really easy to take the battery out, and it's just a one of those button batteries. I didn't look at it, but it's like one of those CR batteries that's really easy to get. So that's a big plus instead of it being some sort of weird size battery. Alright, so here in a little bit I'm going to go through each one of the melodies so you guys can hear what they all sound like. So I'm going to go ahead and stop the video and then start back up again with the melodies. Alright guys, I'm back over here with the AVANTEK wireless doorbell. And I'm going to tell you what these couple buttons on the side do. So the one on the top is for volume. So that's lower. That one's silent. And that's the highest volume. I think I'm going to put it on that setting. I think that's the best. So I actually like the stock doorbell melody, but there's 52 additional ones here. So this is going to be painful, but I'm going to go through all 52 so that those of you out there that are looking for one of these, you can hear what these melodies are in case you're shopping for one of these. Alright, so that was number one. This is number two. That one was nasty. Here's number four. Five. was nice. Man, that one was pretty long. Wow, some of these are getting really long. Oh man, I hope we're almost close to the end here. That's for you fans of the Titanic. Oh my God. All right, and there we go, guys. That was all 52 melodies. Took us about 10 minutes to get through all 52. But hopefully in those 52, you'll find one you like for your house. I think I'm just going to stick with number one. That sounds the best to me. All right, guys. Thanks for looking. Bye-bye. All right, guys. I've got the transmitter for the wireless doorbell mounted. I had to mount it in the brick here, so I wasn't able to use the double-sided tape that comes with it. I had to go buy some concrete anchors, concrete screws, and a concrete drill bit, but it came out really good. It's not going to go anywhere. It's on there. These are the anchors I used. So I used these Tapcon 3/16 inch by 1 1/4 inch concrete screws. This worked perfectly in the brick. I know it says concrete anchors, but it worked really well in the masonry here. And then this was the drill bit I used. And I just used a regular drill bit. And then really took only a couple minutes. Really great. I'm impressed with these Tapcon products. They work really well. So there you go. That's the full wireless doorbell install. And it's pretty awesome. Thanks for looking.